Our S40 thermostat pulls several data points from all pieces of equipment that are connected to it, and we can actually view those data points in our diagnostic menu. This is an extremely useful tool from a technical standpoint for troubleshooting, trying to figure out what's going on with the system in real time. So to get into the diagnostics menu, you're first going to want to enter the dealer service center. And like we've shown in our previous videos, we're going to first come up to our Lennox logo on the top right and press and hold for about 5 seconds. Once we're in our dealer service center, we've got our several sub-menu options, but where we're going to go first is we're going to come down here to the bottom left and go to Diagnostics. It's going to then ask you to select which equipment you would like to run diagnostics on. So for the sake of this example, we'll select both the furnace and air conditioner. And then on the bottom right, you would hit Start. And this starts running a diagnostic screen of all the equipment connected. You can see here we have our air conditioner connected right now and selected on the left. And on the right, we're pulling several data points all within that condensing unit. You can see data from refrigerant temperature, pressure of your refrigerant lines, how fast your compressor is running, time since last defrost. There's several parameters in here and several data points that could help you troubleshoot or do your maintenance on a system. We could also look at our furnace. A couple of examples here would be things like line voltage, 24 volts. What is the condition of your pressure switches? Are they open? Are they closed? What is our gas valve doing? Are all of our safety devices closed? Many of these data points are extremely useful to you as a technician to be able to try and diagnose a system as it is right now. So this is a really good example of our diagnostic screen. Hopefully that gives you a little insight into a tool that may help you troubleshoot something in the future.